Earth, the constant circulation of matter and the flow of energy. It has witnessed the formation of the surface from solidifying liquid rock, the creation of the atmosphere, the birth of the oceans, and finally, it has seen the evolution of life. The stunning landscapes we admire today are the results of years of effort and dedication. Creating Leo paintings also requires hard work and commitment. We begin our creative process with exceptional photographs captured by our skilled artists. The digital painter defines sections in a photo and varies their heights to highlight the details, working on each area individually. The paintings are printed on a board made from recycled aluminum and composite materials, which is incredibly strong and ensures the high durability of the print. Our unique technique of transferring the intricate details of nature onto paintings allows us to recreate every detail with precision. The layers, one after the other, make a palpable texture, which is an exact projection of the photo, delicate in some places, more dense in others. Each image finally finds its place in a unique wooden frame, either classic or modern, carefully prepared by our craftsmen. The cycle ends with the earth sharing its beauty, which we capture in our paintings. Discover the secret of nature's beauty in Leo's unique art. Leo, art inspired by Earth.